Here we have a Hunter Studio Series. Glad I called it the Studio Series finally because Summer Breeze is gone. And replaced the Home Decorators Collection Petersburg. Here's Detroit here. Is low. Nah, the chain was set to medium, and I had to set it to high on the pole chain. Here is the fan right here. Here's low. There are some changes to this house. Oh, it smells. It makes the room smell. Probably because of the dust. And it's high. Medium and low don't make a big difference. That's one thing about using a Hunter original control. Oh, that's low. If they kept the Summer Breeze in that other room, then they should put a new control with it. But they didn't. They just replaced the whole thing. I'll show you the replacement. Here's the remote. I've actually stayed in this house last summer. And I'm staying here again. And the laundry room's locked up because the washer doesn't work.
Guys.
What?
Since we have the AC on, you need to keep the doors closed.
Yeah.
Okay.
This thing is slowing down for a long spin down time. Turn on the fan in here.
Right, yeah, but a different model for
Let's see if it comes on. Have it set to medium. I'll turn this one. Let's actually. And low's kind of sort of like medium with this one, where the chain is set to high. That's why they might have to change the speed set to medium. But they should do is they should put a neutral. I don't know, just put it on low. Thanks for watching.